including of Nixon's chief of staff, H.R. Haldeman's mugshot, as well as his attorney general's, John Mitchell's. You were more intimately involved in the Nixon case and knew the players. But how did seeing the Trump shot compare to these others?
It's sad to see people who had such power, who are accused of crimes, and of course in Watergate convicted of crimes, which may happen in this case. So it's sad. Seeing the actual president made me think about the fact that I believed that we should indict Richard Nixon, and that maybe if we had accomplished that, and if we hadn't been stymied by Special Prosecutor Leon Jaworski saying, no, impeachment is the right way to go, at a time when impeachment was actually a viable, real thing, that maybe Donald Trump would have learned that the law applies to the president and he can't do the things that he did. So I'm sad that we weren't able to do that.
Let's talk about this speedy trial request. Sidney Powell is the second co-defendant to call for this after Kenneth Chesebro. Chesebro's trial is now set for October 23rd. We just told you in the last segment, John Eastman's lawyer says they're meeting this weekend to decide, but he'll likely make the same request. What do they stand to gain and lose from this request?
Well, one of the things that the other co-defendants stand to gain is an early look at the evidence, because since it is a RICO charge, the evidence establishing all elements of the RICO can be admitted against each of these people, even as to conspiracies that they weren't part of. It's all part of one overarching conspiracy. So that's an advantage to those who do not join. I'm sure that there was some thought that that Fani Willis, the district attorney, would not be ready that fast. And so they called her bluff under a very stringent law.